widening!
The Looming Storm. Dark storm approaching. Savannah winds whip the dust. Tribe gathers supplies looking fearful. Leader senses a dangerous pressure drop. Distant, intense lightning strikes the mountains. Prehistoric birds flee the dark sky. Hands grip sharp stone hand axes. Massive swirling supercell dominates horizon.
We must move quickly. Danger is coming from the hills. Follow me and stay close together. We find safety in the rocks. The air grew cold, smelling of sulfur and impending doom. Then came the rain, giant frozen drops that broke the ancient silence.
Tribe looks to leader for signal. Habilis male signals. Start running. Dark shadows quickly swallow daylight. Tribe starts to move faster. A nearby tree branch cracks violently.
The canyon! Run full speed and do not look back!
The great tribal flight. Tribe sprints across the muddy plain. Rain blurs the running view. Pregnant woman holds her belly tight. Blinding flash from a close strike.
That was too close! Get down over there!
Bare feet leap the rocks. Hunter trips and scrambles back up. Mud splashes into the camera lens. Group huddles together as they run.
Run to the caves now!
Deafening thunder makes the ground vibrate. Dynamic tracking shot beside the leaders.
Move! Get inside!
Rain turns into a blinding downpour.
Come on, keep up!
Broken branch flies past lens. Group struggles to maintain balance.
Go, go, go!
Watch out, it's
A
widening!
second hunter almost falls behind.
I'm not gonna make it!
I'm not gonna make it!
The target canyon looms in distance. The Stampede and Panic. Massive herd of antelope stampedes past.
Run for cover!
Dodge massive hooves and mud. Saber-toothed cat runs past the tribe. Tribe splits up in chaotic retreat. Dinotherium trunk lashes out in terror. Flash flood wave swells near canyon. Group almost gets cut off. Child trips but is grabbed quickly. Leader pushes family toward rock shelter.
Run! Don't look back!
It is coming closer!
Keep moving! Go! Go! This is the crossing point. Hold the rope firm. We go now.
Small mudslide blocks a primary path. Scramble up slippery, wet ravine.
Take my hand. Careful now. Watch your step right here.
Lightning hits boulder. Debris rains down.
It's gaining on us!
Habilis girl
Keep
shields
moving.
eyes from
Go,
rain.
go, go.
Tribe helps each other down rocks. The wrath of nature. Lightning strikes an acacia. Tree explodes. Blinded
God.
by powerful white flash.
Is it over?
Camera shakes. Shockwave hits the scene. Tribe gasps. Fire starts on tree.
Into the crevice!
Leader forces tribe
Move!
deep into crevice.
Move!
Huddle inside dark, damp rock cave. Watch massive torrent of water. Tribe shivers in sudden deep cold.
Hold on, child. Warmth will come.
It is too cold. The fire is gone.
Water drips fast from cave ceiling. Close up on exhausted, scarred human faces. The roar of the storm peaks. A second tree gets struck nearby. See lightning arcs across valley. The ground shakes with final thunder. The aftermath and survival. Wind stops. Rain turns to mist. Sunlight breaks through heavy gray clouds. Stepping out of cave shelter.
Everything we built is gone, but they will not break our spirit. We will rise from these ashes.
Savannah smells fresh. Steam is rising.
Look at that incredible light.
The storm is finally passing.
Habilis family stands in new dawn. They examine the washed clean landscape. Pregnant woman smiles at her family. They collect safe, fresh rainwater pools.
Look! This will save us!
Discovery. Drowned animal provides vital food. They begin to use stone tools. Wide shot. Rainbow forms over valley.
The rain has left us a new beginning.
Men.
Leader looks resilient at camera. Tribe resumes its journey walking together. The Ice Age savanna is peaceful. Primitive footprints dry in sun.